Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of free VST plugins for music production you may like. If you are into mixing and mastering and you've been chasing that smooth hi-fi tone, then pause everything because this free plugin is low-key a secret weapon. Today we are diving into the TL BaxEQ by ToneLib, a totally free Baxandall-style EQ that can go toe-to-toe with some $300 plus plugins like the Dangerous BAX EQ from Plugin Alliance. And yes, it's more like a free alternative to that of the Plugin Alliance. With that being said, let's get into it. TL BaX EQ is a clean, minimalistic EQ that is built for gentle tone shaping, as you can see on the screen. It is based on the classic Baxandall EQ curve, which means everything you boost or cut sounds smooth and musical, which is ideal for mixing and mastering. No harshness, no weird artifacts, just smooth, cool vibes. Alright, now let's be real. A lot of free EQs sound brittle or don't give you that analog warmth. But you see this particular one, which is the TL BaX EQ, nails it with two simple controls. First, a low shelf that takes into your lows, as you can see here, and a high shelf that adds that modern glossy air, which is this one right here. And all these things while keeping your CPU usage super low. You can literally use it across all your tracks without lags on your system. And when I got this plugin, I tried it on vocals, acoustic guitars, and even full mix. So let's have a quick demo so that you guys can as well see what I'm talking about. Alright, let's check out this vocal. This is before.
Here it comes, that feeling again, flowing through my veins. What does it mean, the price I'll pay? Just take the leap of faith.
And I believe you had that. Flat, dull, nothing serious, not too interesting. And here is the after.
Here it comes, that feeling again, flowing through my veins. What does it mean, the price I'll pay? Just take the leap of faith. Here it comes, that feeling again, flowing through my veins. What does it mean, the price I'll pay? Just take the leap of faith.
Interesting, right? Alright, let's check it out on a full mix. I'll be using this track for that. And I believe you had it. The full mix sounds more glued, more open and more expressive. Subtle moves, but big differences. But don't take it for what I'm saying. Try it out. I'll be leaving the link in the description and let us know what you think about it. I mean, your findings about the plugin. Alright, now, honestly, unless you are doing high stakes mastering work, TL BaxEQ gives you 90% of that clean tone for free, but you will only miss out on things like mid-side and stepped knobs. Alright, let's have a quick comparison between the free alternative Baxandall EQ by ToneLib to Baxandall EQ by Plugin Alliance. So what I'll be doing here is just to boost plus 1.5 dB around 10 kHz on the high frequency and 1 dB around 74 Hz on the low frequency. Then I will replicate the settings on that of the paid one, which is by Plugin Alliance, and then listen to both of them to see the difference. And I believe it's going to be very subtle because, as you can see, it's just very little gain boost that I'm adding. So let's hear them in action, and I'll be starting with the free alternative. Alright guys, here is a little cheat code I use for mastering. Plus 1 dB at 74 Hz, plus 1.5 dB at 10 kHz. Try this on your final mix and thank me later. The curve is soft and musical, just like the pros. Use it. Also, if you're loving free plugins like this, I just created a Discord community where we will talk about plugins, both free and paid, share mixing ideas, and even request tools we want developers to make. Link in the description. Come through and join the squad. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If this helped you discover a gem, smash that like button, subscribe for more plugin gold, and drop a comment with your favorite free EQ. And don't forget, the best plugins aren't always the most expensive ones. Sometimes it is the one that just works. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.